Hey y'all, it's Meso here. Welcome to my kitchen today where we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to make something that is quick, easy, simple, and delicious. I know that's the kind of recipe you like. That's the kind of recipe that I love. But today, I'm going to show you how to do it. And you're going to make it, your family's going to love it, and you're going to look like a kitchen rock star, baby.
Does this look like something that you could put on your table or no? Whew. I love it on my table. Let's see what it takes to make this happen. I have some chopped mushrooms. I have some cheese, some broccoli, some corn. I have some large baking potatoes, and I have two kinds of sausage. Some andouille sausage and some smoked beef sausage. Here I've already washed these potatoes and dried them off, and I have here some oil, and I am just going to give these potatoes a good rub down with the oil. This oil is going to make these skins crispy and going to make these potatoes much more flavorful. And so we're going to just do all of this oil, and we're going to come back after we put them in a cast iron pan. Now I'm going to cook mine in a cast iron pan, and because I like what it does to the skin, it makes it a little more crispy. But here I'm assembling them here in this pan, and I am going to get a little kosher salt. Now this is coarse kosher salt. I'm going to put a little bit on the outside. It won't make the potatoes salty, but it will give it some flavor. Here I have my pan, and I'm getting in some extra virgin olive oil in this pan, just a little, maybe a tablespoon or two. And in this pan, I am going to saute my shrimp. Aren't these shrimp beautiful? Yes, they are. Some people out here call them scrimps. Okay, well, that's okay. Let's get these scrimps a rocking, honey. I have some Old Bay seasoning. Always goes good on seafood. So I'm going to sprinkle it with Old Bay. And as they cook, I'm going to this is what I'm in love with now. This is my new love. I wish I didn't love this so much, but it goes good on everything. This is my Spice It Right, my Caribbean fusion Spice It Right. Such a good spice. I'm sort of turning these over. I just want to get enough color on these and make sure that they are not raw. Don't want to overcook them because they will become like little hard rubber discs in your dish if you overcook them. So I am turning them over. I'm taking a few of them out, but I'm just turning them over and getting them ready to really rock and roll in my dish. Look how beautiful. Let's take them up. Here I have the same pan, and I'm going to go back in with my sausage. As I said before, this is andouille sausage and also smoked beef sausage. I'm going to put this sausage in here, and I'm going to let it saute just like I let the shrimp do. This sausage is so nice. I love sausage so much. Oh, yeah. I'm going to set this bowl here right on this cap, and I'm going to pour the sausage, take the sausage up, and then just set it aside like I did the shrimp. Okay. Let me move this. I hope it's not hot. No, it's not hot. Okay. Again, same pan, and I'm coming right back into that same pan with the mushrooms. I'm going to do the same thing with the mushrooms. I'm going to let them cook and saute until they get nice and beautiful. And then I am going to take them out and set them aside and finish my entire dish. So here I have some ground pepper, and I'm going to get that in. I love the black pepper. So I'm going to also put in some granulated garlic. And I'm going to use some paprika, baby. Some paprika. Say it with me, boys and girls. Paprika. So I'm also putting in some coarse kosher salt. And I'm just going to stir this and let this cook until all the liquid cooks out of it. Like so. I'm going to put this bowl right here, and I'm going to get my mushrooms down into the bowl. Going to do the same thing I did with the shrimp and the sausage. I'm going to just get them into the bowl and set them aside. Just kind of keep them warm, sitting to the side. And they don't have to be kept warm, really. So here I have some oil, and I have some butter, and I am going to just melt the oil and the butter together. As I said, look in the description box. You're going to see the complete entire recipe with all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Don't you worry your pretty little head, honey. So I'm going to just whisk this around, and you know what I'm doing. I'm getting out all the lumps, bumps, humps. I don't eat it. Don't give me any gravy with any bumps in it. So you want to make sure yours is perfectly, I said perfectly smooth. I'm putting Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to just whisk it around. And I'm going to just begin to let that cheese melt with the roux. And the roux would be the butter and oil and the flour. So I'm just going to let this melt. I'm putting some more Parmesan cheese. And here I'm just taking my time. And I'm just going to let this cheese melt. Now this kitchen smells, honey, like a beautiful, I don't know what, it just smells so good. Oh man. Also, I'm putting some heavy whipping cream here. And I am just going to let that continue to melt. I'm using some evaporated milk. The reason I'm using both, I want to just show you, you can use either. You can use all evaporated, all heavy whipping cream, or if you don't have either, you could just use your regular whole milk. And it's not going to affect the taste a whole lot. With the heavy whipping cream, of course, it's going to be a lot more rich, but it's going to be good either way. Any milk that you have, I say any milk. More heavy whipping cream, you see that cheese dripping from my wire whisk. Oh man. So yeah, that was heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to just stir that up, and again, you'll find the amounts in the description box. I'm going to use some Dash seasoning. Now you know what? I told you this used to be called Mrs. Dash. I don't know, honey, but I hear that she got a divorce. Now I don't want to gossip, but don't tell anybody you heard it from me. But that's what I hear. So now she's just Dash, not Mrs. Dash. Okay, so I'm adding more whipping cream. Got to get this smooth and perfect. You're going to see what we're going to have here. Got to be smooth. Look, y'all. Come together. Come together. Look at this. You see what I mean by smooth? When Meso says smooth, she means smooth. I'm getting in my spring onions. And here my chopped parsley. Now we're going back in with everything. We come back in with the sausage. Ooh. We're coming with the mushrooms. And mushroom here, and we're just going to stir. We are just going to stir it. Stir it good. Oh man. Oh, so creamy. I could just eat this just like it is and call it a soup or something, honey. Oh, but no, let's see what else we're going to do with this. I'm going to put my broccoli in. Oh, dear Lord. And you know what? I saved my broccoli to now. I didn't want to put it in early because I don't like my broccoli all mushy. And I like my broccoli to have some integrity still, to be a little bit crisp, have just a little bit of a snap, a little bite to it. And so that's why I saved it to the end. If I put it in the beginning, it'd be too mushy. Oh, man. It's going to be all these flavor components, all these textural components. Oh, Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious. Can you tell I'm just a little bit excited? Okay. So we're just gonna let that heat through. Are y'all hungry yet? Let's get back over here to our baked potatoes. We've gotten them out of the oven now, just got them out. These are big potatoes. I baked them for about, I guess, an hour and 10 minutes. Turn around here. I'm gonna smush you open. Turn around and squeeze. Yeah, look at that steam. Now y'all don't try to do this with your hands. Get you a couple of pot holders or something and do that, squeeze it with. But they say I have asbestos hands, so I can do it. Squeeze. Oh man. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just getting so excited because I know what is coming, honey. Oh, look at that. And that salt is there. Not going to be salty at all. Just going to give it a little flavor to the potatoes. That skin is crispy. Oh, I want to go ahead and get back over here to my pan. And finally, last but not least, I'm going to put in the star of the show that's going to make this dish taste all right, honey. I'm putting in that shrimp and its juices. I'm putting it into this mixture. Now, can you imagine now? Can you imagine with me how this tastes? We're not going to have to imagine for long because we're getting it done, honey. We're dressing up these potatoes. We've got the potatoes and I've got them here on a platter, and I'm going to begin to fill these potatoes with all that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that sausage. Oh, the broccoli, the shrimp. Oh, the roux, the gravy, the roux. Oh my God, I call it the gravy, the roux. Oh, it's so good. Oh, Lord. Okay, so I got mushrooms there. Let me compose myself. Look at the shrimp going into that potato. We are going to fill these potatoes. We're going to pack these potatoes. Yeah, we're going to load these potatoes up with all of this goodness. Okay. Y'all, I am getting so excited. I'm going to dress these up, and I'm going to go ahead and plate them up, and then I'll get to the part that I like the most. I'll be able to taste them up. I'm going to taste them and see what they taste like. So here I put them on the platter. I want you to get a good look at them. And so you see that I have just loaded these potatoes. I've also gone back and put some more shrimp on top of them. Not only is the shrimp on the inside, but on top, I've got sausages inside and outside. I've got tomatoes and, oh, Lord, and more mushrooms on top. This is heaven. I'm going to get this little piece of heaven off, though, and I'm going to put it onto a individual serving plate where I'm then going to be able to get it to myself, do it my way, honey, and taste it. Oh, yeah. But just look at this. Oh, is there any other way I could show you better, honey, that these are gorgeous? Ah, that's mine. Oh, that mushroom hanging there. Oh, drop it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Y'all look at that. You see that roasted corn that I've sprinkled over it? I'm gonna go in now and get a taste. I want you guys to just see this. Just go in with me and just, oh Lord, can you smell it? Do you about know what it smells like? That's before we taste anything. I got me a shrimp. I got me a mushroom. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna make this quick, guys, because I want to get off here. Look at that mushroom and that potato. I want to get off here and stop talking about it and showing it. I want to eat this. Look at that shrimp, honey. Oh, some people call them squimp. They can't pronounce it. They say squimp, but I don't care if you say squimp or shrimp. Oh, say it's good. Oh, yeah. That gets a thumbs up. That gets 2 thumbs up. Yay. Hey, guys, I want to thank you for coming by my channel today and checking on me. You wanted to see what I was cooking, but you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. I want to thank you if you're already subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you have hit the notification bell that till the parentheses come around it so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. If you have not subscribed, then please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and then hit the notification bell also until the parentheses come around it, and you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a big old thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Also, share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Did I say media again? Media. And also give me a comment. I love to hear what you're thinking. I'm now on Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. Come and visit me there. Support me. Show me some love. I'd appreciate that. Hey, guys, I thank you for coming by. And I want to tell you, first, take care of yourself. Show your love to somebody by sharing your food. Yeah, that's how they'll know you love them. Okay, bye-bye.